students, my name is Nidesh Nagarashet. I am from Manara. So last class we are discussing about a topic from 10th standard, that is area related to the circles. In area related to the circles, we already discussed about area and that is related with the circles, and area of a sector of an angle, also area of a segment, and also we learnt about length of an arc of a sector of an angle. So let us take some of the problems based on area related to the sector of an angle, also length of an arc of a sector of an angle, also area of a segment. Yes, let's take the first problem. So just observe, we have to find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 4 cm and of an angle 30 degree. Also find the area of the corresponding major sector. That is, here we have to find the minor sector first, then we have to find out the major sector. So that is what is the given thing is here. So circle, it is common, and there is a sector we have, and it is given that 30 degree angle. It makes an angle of 30 degree. That means between two radii and the center we have a 30 degree angle, and it is given that radius it is 4 cm. This is 4 cm. It is given, and using the formula we have to find the area of the minor sector first, then we have to find the area of the corresponding major sector by subtracting minor sector from complete area of the circle. Yes, let's have this problem and let us move on to the solution. So in the solution, firstly we have to write the given things. What is the given thing here? Radius it is given, it is 4 cm, and angle it is given theta. It is given 30 degree. And already you know that the area of a sector, area of a minor sector or major sector, here it is minor sector. So area of the minor sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. It is area of sector. Commonly we can take it as sector. This sector is equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Here we have to find the area, means we are taking pi r square. If it is, we have to find out the length of an arc, means we have to take 2 pi r. But here we have to find the area, so that's why pi r square enough. Yes. Let us substitute all the values here. Theta is 30 degree and it is 360 degree, and into, so pi, value of pi it is given 3.14. That one only we have to use. If it is given, if it doesn't give any value, means then you can use 22 by 7. If it is given 3.14, then you have to substitute 3.14, and r square 4 into 4. Then you can simplify it. It is 0 and 0, and here 3 into 1 and 3 into 12 and 4 into 1 and 4 into 3 is equal to 3.14 into 4 divided by 3. So when you solve it, so you are getting the answer. It is approximately 4.19. It is centimeter. So after getting the area, so we can take it as centimeter square. That is area of minor sector. That is area of sector. Here, what is the sector? OAPB. It is OAPB. The area of sector OAPB is equal to 4.19 centimeter square. Then, here is observe. So this is the first part of this question. It's completed. We have to find the area of the sector with a radius of 4 centimeter and angle 30 degree. But here also we have to find out the area of the corresponding major sector as well. So that's why we have to subtract this value from the complete circle. That is, the minor sector is a part of the complete circle. If you want this area of minor sector, you have to subtract this part from the complete triangle. So that's why we have to subtract this minor sector from pi r square. So I will rub this part here to find the corresponding major sector. Yes. Then area of major sector is equal to pi r square minus area of minor sector. Yes, let us find it. So pi r square. Pi r square, it is a pi value, it is given 3.14 into r. R it is 4 centimeter is given, so that's why r square it is 16 minus area of a minor sector it is 4.19 centimeter. That's 4.19 centimeter square. Then you have to simplify it, and then you are getting the answer. It is 46.05 centimeter square. So you can simplify it, then you are getting this answer. So approximately you are getting 46.05 centimeter square. So it is only the thing is we have to subtract area of minor sector from complete circle, so we can get the area of the corresponding major sector. So I hope you understood this one. So some more problems are there based on the similar problems, so you have to find it. Yes, let us move on to the next type of problem. Let's take the next problem. So here we have to find the area of the quadrant whose circumference is 22 centimeter. That means here radius is not given and angle it is given. That is, it is about quadrant. Quadrant means already you know that it is when you have a Cartesian plane. When you have a Cartesian plane, so the Cartesian plane splits the plane into four parts. It is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Already you know that in the coordinate geometry. That is, the pattern of this first quadrant is plus comma plus. Here it is minus comma plus. It is minus comma minus. Here plus comma minus. Already you know that. So that is nothing but quadrant. Quadrant makes 90 degree. So that is the angle between these two radii is 90 degree. So that is sector, already you know that it is 90 by 360 degree into pi r square. But the thing is that here here it is radius is not given. So that's why we have to find out the radius by using the circumference of the circle. Yes, let us move on to the solution. Yes, so already you know that circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. That is 2 pi r is equal to 22. It is given. So then let us simplify it. It is 2 into, so pi we can take it as 22 by 7 into r is equal to 22. So that is when you transpose the 22 to the RHS side, comes to the denominator, because here all are multiplication. If it is any one is positive plus addition we have means it is not possible. But here all we have multiplication, that's why we can. Otherwise you can do all the things, you can transpose to the RHS side, it is also possible. Just remain r as it is here. 22, just transpose 22, actually it is in numerator, comes to the denominator, and then 2 is also in the numerator, comes to the denominator, and 7 is in the denominator. After transposing it comes to the numerator, and 22 getting cancels. So remaining is 7 divided by 2. Radius is 7 by 2 centimeter. Once you got the radius, then you can find out the area of the quadrant. This is nothing but a sector having an angle of 90 degree. That is, then you can find out the area of the quadrant. It is area of quadrant. Quadrant is nothing but the sector of angle 90 degree. You can call it a sector of angle 90 degree. Okay, so is equal to, that is 90 by 360 into pi r square. Because why I am not wrote the theta here is because the quadrant, the angle between quadrant, it is known. It is given. It is understood. So that's why I am not wrote this one. That is equal to 90 by 360 into, what is the value of pi? 22 by 7, and r square I am writing this 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, and 19 to 1 and 19 to 4. Then 7 getting cancels and 2 into 11 here is equal to, here just observe, so in the numerator we have 11 into 7, it is 77 divided by 4 into 2 into 2. Here we have 4, and here we are not getting 2 here. Actually it is 1. It is 4 into 2 is equal to 8. This is 77 by 8 centimeter square. So then you can simplify it. Then you are getting decimal. That is 8 into 9, 72. 5 remains. Then 8 into 6, 2 remains. Then 8 into 2, 16. Then 4 remains. 40, 8 into 5, that is 9.625 centimeter square, also the answer. That is, area of this quadrant is equal to 9.625 centimeter square or 77 by 8 centimeter square. That is area of quadrant. Yes, this is the area of the quadrant. This is the way to find the area of the sector when circumference it is given or any other parameter is given. Firstly, you have to find out the radius, then you have to simplify, and then you have to apply the formula. So I hope you understood this. So let us move on to the next problem. Let us have one multiple choice question here. So here is the question. It is area of a sector of an angle P in degrees of a circle with radius R is. So here its option is given: A, P by 180 into 2 pi r, B, P by 180 into pi r square, and C, P by 360 into 2 pi r, and D, P by 720 into 2 pi r square. Okay, already we know that the area of a sector of an angle. So when it is theta, so we already know theta by 360 into pi r square. So which one of these four is matches with this one? We have to take that one as the answer. But so just observe the first one. Here it is, we have P by 180. That is it is not possible. Also 2 pi r. 2 pi r is based on the length of an arc, but here it is, we have it is area of a sector, that should be pi r square. So here it is pi r square, but it is not, the denominator is actually we have 180. So that is, it should be have 360. And here we have 360, P by 360, but we have 2 pi r. But here just observe, we have 720 and it is 2 pi r square. But there is no any options or matches with this one, exactly matches with this one. But so we can solve some of the things and then we can get, just observe here. So here we have pi r square, here we have 2. So that is, when we divide 2 and 720, that is what happens, it is P divided by 720 into 2 pi r square. So this 720 we can write it as 2 into 360 into 2 pi r square. That is, we can cancel this 2 and we are getting P by 360 into pi r square. So the theta will be 3p here, so that this will exactly match with this one. But even if the denominator changes and 2 pi r, that is this is also, there is some changes is there, but the whole value it is same, whatever we have the area of a sector of an angle. So that means, so the D is the correct answer here. So I hope you understood this. So let us have some homework. Two problems on area of a sector of a circle of an angle. So here there are two homeworks are there. So first one is find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 cm if an angle of sector is 60 degree. Here it is radius it is given and angle it is given, so you can find out easily. And also find the corresponding major sector as well. So find the corresponding major sector. Find the corresponding major sector as well. So you can use pi is equal to 22 by 7, no problem, or you can use 3.14 as well. Then find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 44 cm. So it is fixed, this already we solved that one. So the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 44 cm, and find the corresponding major sector, and also find the corresponding major sector. Corresponding major sector of this circle. So I hope you understood this, solve these two problems. Those who are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. You can get the notification of our channel very easily. Also hit the like button. Thank you and all. Be safe and stay home. Thank you.